Right, so today's job, we just got some random bits of stuff to do because weather's not all that great. It's not waste today, so we're going to do little bits and bats just to get them in front. What we're planned for today, well, that I don't know if you can see it, there's a big green truck up there. Yeah, that chassis we're going to get done today, but weather's not good enough, so we're here today to do these. We'll just do these bits. Weather's not great, so it might play a little bit of havoc this week for us. Gonna mess some jobs up this week, that weather. It's meant to be bad all week. Not good this weather. It's cold and windy and all, it's horrible. It's windy alright, it's blowing me all over. Look at that rain. What can we do? It's far from ideal this. I'll do this side first. Oh, this isn't right clever. Look at that bending. No. If that's where she wants to lay, that's where she's getting done. Oh, bugger, yeah. Doesn't want me to live. Give me stuff to do. Yeah. These are not so bad because they're alley, so rain will not over these. Non-ferrous don't rust up. These are off of that tranny that I did, that transit, that Ford. We were going to do these on that day that I was in that Ford, but it was Saturday morning and all lads wanted to get off, so coming back to do that man, that wagon. So plan was to do that wagon and these today. So I kind of knew that it was going to be a bit of a write-off with weather. So I need to, when I get back today, try and get some work that's not weather dependent. Some brick cleaning or something, stone or whatever. Makes the job a little bit harder because you're going to have to work it out weather. Where'd that wind come from? It's gonna blow me over. Knock me off from my feet now, baby. Can't believe it, it's something on my feet. That's how windy it is. I've worked when there's snow on floor and when it's hailstoning and it's really cold, but today it seems really cold. It seems worse than that. I don't know if it's because of that wind and that chill factor, but it's pretty nippy today. The stuffing hands are freezing. We're getting to the point where they're hurting. It's that cold. Might do these fuel put on. I'm really desperate to knock it on here today. I really don't fancy doing it rest of the day like this. Come back a different day. Oh. Van needs to be done, so these panels need to be done desperately. They've got it in primer, that van, that back end. It's in primer already. That's bedding, but the chassis is. He wants me to do spare wheel and all. I left spare wheel and forgot about it. Oh, I didn't forget about it. I saw it when I was doing it and I thought, do we do it or not? Because it's tucked right under the van, I thought, nah, I don't really need it. But he's obviously seen it and he wants it doing, so I'll end up doing that today, I think. Get that out of the way. As I say, I was all set for doing a wagon this morning. Obviously this weather is no good for a wagon. Get away with odd trees like this. Hopefully. Oh Jesus Christ, I took my head off. So not for wanting to waste the day, I've been and I've fixed that. Look at have it, I've got a spare on van, so I managed to find another spring and another lever. So yeah, we can do that now, that's alright. Safety aspects back on game. I've just come up here and puddleometer's still reading that it's raining. But he's happy for me to do this anyway, so let's get into it. Oh no! What's happened here? Oh, I thought it was a powder coat then. I think I'm going to turn that media down a little bit. You're lagging here, I don't know. Let's turn that media down. Oh, in fact, I blasted that wagon before. Yeah, I blasted that wagon back before. I've got some photos on my Facebook somewhere. RR Memory or something it's called. Company. Yeah, what a small world, eh? Oh, I've got some photos of that wagon on my Facebook page somewhere. A couple of years ago I did that. Different company altogether to this one that we're working for. In fact, it's a different area altogether, but they obviously must use them. What's up with this grit? This is like a plastic paint, eh? Quite hard to get off. Yeah, picture in. Come in a bit, come in a bit. Should be about right there. that's that done. He's just drove off with the other one. It's like he says, he weren't like too fussed on it looking spectacular. He just wanted to get them scratched up so he can get some paint on them. Some sort of deal they've got going on with a machine or something. They're throwing a free bucket in. So if you like this sort of content, I'll drop a link probably somewhere up here for another video. Feel free to have a snoop about and have a look through my other videos. I've got a nice little archive going on. So if you like this sort of content, there'll be some more videos for you to look at. Alright, we'll catch you on next one.